Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to turn off WhatsApp messages previews in your notification bar. So if you're also wondering how, you may just head over and follow up these settings for that. For that, you can go ahead and look out for the option for your phone settings. Go ahead and open it up, and that should open up your device's settings. Once you access your device's settings, you can either go to notifications or you can go to the lock screen section if you do not want the message preview in your notification bar in your lock screen. So fine, tap on it, and once you tap on it, it may vary depending upon device as well. You may look out for the notification section here and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you just need to go ahead and turn off this notification. If this option is toggled on, you can tap on it in order to turn it off, and that should do it. Or for WhatsApp directly, what you can do is you can head over to notifications and tap on it, and from notifications you can look out for WhatsApp and tap on it, and from WhatsApp you may just go ahead and turn off the toggle option right beside it, or you can look out for the in-app notification settings as well. And when you go ahead and tap on it, you can just go ahead and turn off the notification for uh, your reaction notifications or any other kind of notifications. And you can even look out for notification categories, tap on it, and then you can just go ahead and turn off the notifications for each of the notifications that you do not want in the preview. So therefore, that's it everybody. If you'd like to turn off WhatsApp notification preview, you can follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.